do you reckon we have here? Read the question aloud once.
The triangular sides walls of a flyover have been used for advertisements. The sides of the walls are 122 meters, 22 meters, and 120 meters. The advertisements yield an earning of 5,000 rupees per meter square per year. A company hired one of its walls for 3 months. How much rent did it pay?
So do you
So,
notice the advertisement section on the flyover here?
yeah.
You do, right? It's here. It's right here. It is triangular, as you can see. It's sort of visible as a right angle triangle, but forget that it is a right angle triangle for now, right?
Yeah.
So we are given three sides, right?
Yeah.
Per meter square, the yield, the revenue is rupees 5,000. So we got to find out how many meter squares are within this, right?
So for this one, can we use half into base into height?
We are not
Like
sure whether
base,
it's right angle triangle. It is only visible right, like a right angle triangle, right? If it was a right angle
yeah.
triangle, then half into 22 multiplied by 120 would give us the area,
Yeah.
right? But it is not so, right? It is not mentioned anywhere in the question that this triangle is a right angle triangle. So we cannot assume things like that, okay? We have to go according to what is being told in the question, right?
Okay, so yeah.
So let's continue. Let's get on with things. Help me. What are the things given
So
in the question? Yeah, go on.
let A equal to 122 meters.
Right, like this for the triangle or triangular section where the poster is to be placed. A is equal to, yeah, come on, help me.
122 meters.
B,
B equals to 22 meters.
C.
And C equals to 120 meters.
So give me the,
Perimeter
perimeter.
equals to A plus B plus C upon whole upon 2,
Whole over 2. Okay,
which is equal to
give me the semi-perimeter directly. 122 plus 22 plus 120.
144, 264 meters upon 132
132.
meters.
Uh, you're sure, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yep. Go on.
Um, uh,
Next.
area equals to root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C.
Area
Equals to
used for, should write like this, okay? Area used for advertisement, right? That is going to be area of triangle. That is going to be under root. Come on.
S minus S, S minus C, S minus B, S minus C, which is equal to 132 into should I give direct like 10
Right.
meters or into 10
Okay.
into 110 110 into 12.
Very good.
So for the division, 12 into 11 equals to 132,
Does
right?
this have 12?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what 12 into 11.
Exactly. That's what you were saying, right?
And yeah,
Wonderful. So good. And this one has 11 as well, right?
yes.
That is a
into
10
10.
here. Very,
Yeah,
very
11 to
good,
10.
Manya. You have understood this so good, so well, right? Okay, so we have everything in
11
clear.
square, 10 square, 12 square.
So this is 11 into 12 into 10. That's 1326, right?
Yes, sir.
Centimeter square. Oh, sorry, meter square. It has to be meter square because
Yeah,
the
meter square.
yeah. Right. So this
Sir, can I switch
area.
on the light?
Yeah, yeah. Please, yes, please. Manya.
So, can I switch on the light?
Yeah, yeah. Of
It's
course.
getting dark here.
Oh, of course. Of course. Go on.
Yeah.
Yes. So we have got the area. Now notice that rate of yield, right? Rate of revenue is given per meter square. They are getting, I mean, the advertiser is getting 5,000 rupees. So what should be the
So,
total revenue?
so if we do cross multiplication, um, it will become 5,000 into 1 by 4
That is for 1 into 1 by 4. Yes,
upon
yes, yes.
12
Very, very good.
upon 12. Yeah, so it will
Smart.
become,
Total revenue or
it will
total
be
yield?
total, so it's 12 equals to 5,000 into 4, 1 by 4. First, we can calculate this. 250, 1250
Do
into
you
1 by 4.
yeah, do you know the unit of the final answer here? Anya, what will be the unit of the final answer? Total yield.
Rupees,
Rupees. Why?
rupees,
Why?
whatever.
Where do these meter squares go?
Because so you're cutting we're finding
Yes,
the
absolutely.
rupees, you're cutting the
Yeah,
meter.
yeah, yes, absolutely. What does this 5,000 per meter square mean? It means rupees 5,000 per 1 meter square,
1
right?
meter square.
That is the rate
Yes.
multiplied by total area that is 1320 meters square
Upon X.
and x. You're
Oh,
from
X. No. I mean, you find. No,
yeah. And
yeah.
furthermore, it is just for 3 months, right? The advertisement is to be done for 3 months. So this is for full year. It has to be 3/12 here. Do you understand it?
12. Yes, sir.
Fantastic. Now figure out. Now you can see that meter square would be cancelled out. Only rupees will be left for a unit, right?
Um,
Six.
yeah. So 4 1250 1250 into oh so, 5 125 into 1.
Right, correct.
Yeah. Um,
What is it? 16
one
lakhs.
six.
16 lakhs 50,000, right?
Yes, sir.
Total yield is 16 lakh 50,000. This was a very interesting question, very different from what we have done so far, and important. This is an NCRT question, so is it clear, Manya? Is it understood totally?
Um, so I just had a different method and I want to see if it's
Yeah, yeah,
correct.
yeah, yeah.
So if we use like cross multiplication in the sense if we keep like if it's 5,000 rupees for 3 months, or you can write 3 by 12 here, then x being like how the rent for sorry, I did
Okay,
it
you can,
opposite.
you can
5,000 for one. What am I doing?
yeah, you want to make a table out of it. I mean, like this yield for 1 month,
Yeah.
yield for 1 year, that is 12 months. 12 months, it's what is that? 5,000.
Five 5,000. Yeah.
5,000 multiplied by 1320, right? So what is yield
Yeah.
for 1 month? That's going to be divided by 12, and then for 3 months, right? You want to do this way. This is going to be,
No, I mean like a little differently, sir. Like
for a
we
rough
learned the
calculation, you can do that.
direct proportions, like cross
Yes, it is that
multiplication.
it is from direct proportions only, this question. It's not that it is not from direct proportions, but if we go on to do the things that we learned in grade 8, then the solution will be prolonged, right? It'll be longer than it is for now, right? So we like to skip that. In rough calculations, you may do this, right? As a rough work, you can definitely do it and figure out this ultimately, and write this as the as a part of the solution. Write this as a part of the solution. Do all the calculations in the rough. Okay, Manya, that'll do. So whatever method you wish to go, whatever you feel comfortable with, please use that. But try to write minimal. Try to write the things that are required to be written here. Okay, it's not that we should be writing something superficial here, right? Yeah, is it understood?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
good, good. Wonderful. So we are done with this. Moving on to the next step. Next thing. Some simpler questions from NCERT textbook. Take a look at this. An isosceles triangle has perimeter 30 centimeter and each of its sides is 12 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle. What do you reckon we are going to do here?
So, first, we can find the other side, which is, or we can also use the formula we had found for the area. I don't recall it.
You
Ha,
can guide me.
one,
You can guide me. I'll let you know the formula. So what is
uh, uh,
given
uh,
here?
s- given is the perimeter and the sides. So first,
Equal sides.
we
Oh,
know,
what we denote equal
yeah,
sides? If you recall what I taught you in the first class, equal sides are represented
s-
by
are represented by,
A. If you
okay, yeah,
what I explained,
yeah.
in an isosceles triangle, the equal sides are represented by A and the base is represented by B, right? So we are
Yeah.
given A, equal sides, you may write like this, equal sides A is equal to 12 centimeter. Base B is not known. And what is given? What else is given? Perimeter, right?
Perimeter, which is 30 centimeter. A plus B.
Equal to 30 centimeter, which means A plus B plus C. Very good. A plus B, right? Because we have couple of
Yeah.
sides same, equal in length. So easily
We know
figure out
12 plus 12 plus B equals to 30
B is going to be 30.
equals to 6. Yeah, 24. 6
Oh, this must be 25. Yeah,
centimeters.
it's fine.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Now, you don't recall the formula for finding out the area of isosceles triangle. Come on. Did I share
Mm,
the recording?
So you did. I keep forgetting the
The last recording I have
exercise.
not shared. The first one I have shared.
Yeah.
The first class I have shared, but the second one I have not shared. But the second, I mean the first one is more important than the second one, right? I explained everything there.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
yeah, let's go into area of triangle. Is gonna be, you don't recall the formula, so I would help you out. 1/4 times the base times under root 4 into square of the equal
A
sides
square.
minus b. So plug things in. We have just what's the base? 6.
B.
4 times a.
Half.
Oh, sorry. It's not 4.
Wait.
You're in the habit of writing 1/2, right? For area of triangle. Yeah. 1/4 multiplied by 6 multiplied by under root 4 times
12
12 square.
square. Which is minus. Yeah.
3 by 2.
6. 2. 3. Yeah. 3 by 2. Root.
Can be. Yeah, can
2
be.
square.
Yeah, 2 square into 12 square, that is 2 into 12 whole square, right? Can we write like this?
Yeah.
Minus 6 square.
Yeah.
So this is 3 by 2.
A square minus B square formula will we use?
So 24 plus 6 and 24 minus 6. However, this doesn't seem to be simpler, to be making it any simpler, right? It's going to be quite
30. Yeah.
complicated to find out over here, I think.
30.
30 multiplied by
30 into
18.
18.
Okay,
Which is
so do we get the square of something in this problem?
13, 10 into 3, 18, 3 into 6. Yeah, 6.
Yeah,
Uh,
then we have 2 as well, right? Let's factorize it
eh,
slightly.
2 into 2
I
into
mean, to
2.
the simplest. 2 into 3
15.
into, and it's going to
Okay.
be 3 into 3,
2.
right?
Yeah.
Right,
Yeah.
Manya? Am I correct?
Yes.
So this is going to be 3
2
square
square.
divided by 2 square. 3
That's
square
all.
is
Into 3 into 5.
into 15, right? There's no point in
Yeah.
writing it as 3 into 3 into 5, right? It's ultimately 15. 15 would remain inside the square root, right? So this is going to be 3 by 2 times 3 into 2 into root 15. So there you go.
6.
It is actually, where do I write?
9.
9 root 15, right?
Yeah. Centimeter square.
Now, if you wish to, you can find out the square root of 15 using long division method. Calculators won't be allowed
Uh,
right now, so you're going to be using
yeah.
long division method to figure it out and then multiply it. So,
Okay.
are you doing it?
Sir,
Fine.
uh,
So,
can we like do it here just in case I know, like I revise?
okay. You want me to do the long division method for you, right? Okay.
Like I'll help, like I'll
No,
contribute.
that's absolutely cool for me. I mean, it's my job, you know. It's my job to let to know what you are struggling with.
So, perfect square, 3 into 3, 9. So, um,
So we have to find out the square root of 15, right?
3, there are 3,
Just 3 minutes left.
9.
Look, Manya, please focus on this. There's 3 minutes left, right? So we gotta get this done before time.
Yeah, so
Okay,
first square is 3 into 3,
wonderful. We write 3
9.
twice, right?
Yeah, 6.
This is to be added. It's going to be 6. 6 here as well. Couple of zeros come down. 2 digits come down. Notice,
Yes.
right? Now you got to place a digit here and multiply the formed number with the same digit.
60 7 into 7, is that too much? 42
760.
46
Okay, I think that's
69 into 9 1854 62 621. So I think it's 68 into 8
yeah, 68.
48
What is it going to be?
54 544 550.
544, right?
Yeah, 48 yeah,
This
544.
is 56, right?
This 14.
So we place the decimal and we next took 8, right? Let it be up to here, okay, Manya?
Okay.
You can find it out for one more digit or two more digits, but the process is same, okay? Right?
Okay.
So this is
So
going to be
6 and 8 gets added, or 8 and 8? Like, will it be 4 dash or 68 plus 8?
it's going to be 68 plus 8.
Okay.
Okay. You still have a problem with this, right? Okay, 1 minute is there. Let me continue one more step. Be 76, right then?
76. Yeah.
Couple of zeros will come down. Next, choose a number. Come on, choose a digit.
76 in.
Take it first.
Sir, I understood the main thing. 9?
9. You want to
1
go with 9?
850.
63. That's going to be big. Not 9. It's not going to be 9. It's not going to
76
be 8
into
right
7.
away. Maybe
Sorry.
try with 7
7?
first.
Yeah, 49. 49 plus 453. 539. 7 and 7.
It's in thousand. It's in thousand.
Oh, right. I forgot a
It's in
zero.
thousands, yeah.
6, 7, 49, 42, 46, 49, 5, 3, 4, 9.
7 times, right? So 3.87, right?
Yeah, okay.
You understood it?
I got it.
Okay, let's rejoin the Manya. Yeah, let's try this. Simple question, easy, very easy. You just have to recall what was the formula, what formula I gave you for
Root
equilateral triangle.
3 by 4 a square.
Absolutely, use it, get it done. Come on.
Okay. 12th area equals of equilateral triangle equals to root 3 by 4 into a square, which is equal to 36 root 3. Sir, it's an odd question, but can we cancel root 3 and root 3?
Of course. I mean,
Okay.
it is an odd question, of course, because you should have known that, right? You should have known that. This is easy.
Yeah. Which is equal to 1 by 4 a square equals to 36. A square equals to 36 into 4, which is equal to 12. 144. Sir, is the answer 12?
Huh?
Is the answer 12 centimeter?
Give
The
me a
side.
second. It seems to be. It seems like it's going to be 12.
Yeah. A equals to root 144.
Is it an artificial cuckoo or real cuckoo? Sounding behind you.
There It's a real one.
Real one. You're at a good place, man. I'm telling you. Really. We don't get to hear it in this urban setup here.
It comes randomly every day, so
You are, I mean, at a very good place. You have a garden there, right?
I know. I mean, like if it we're in a condominium, so the basement has, you know,
Okay, that's
the
fantastic.
yeah.
Very, very good. Very, very good. It sounds so sweet. Really. All right. So this is just the side of the equilateral triangle, right? We need to find out perimeter. Perimeter would
12
be
into 3, 36 centimeter. So area, oh, this is side. Okay, yeah. 36 centimeter. 12 into 3.
right. So this was an easy question. You can expect such a question
Yeah.
um in MCQs as well, right? For 1 mark, you can do the rough work, right? It's not going to be that big. Look, when you have an MCQ, you don't have to, express the entire solution, right? You just have to pick the option. So you can do the rough work in as quick time as possible, right? You can do that. So you can expect this in MCQs as well. Okay, let's see the next question. Check this. Height of an equilateral triangle measures 9 centimeter. Find its area corrected to decimal places. Look, it means that we would have to use the square root of 3, and it is given to us. We don't have to calculate using long division method. So sometimes you may find questions wherein you don't have to find the square root yourself using the long division method. You may find it in the question itself, right? All right, so let's do it. This will require some effort because it's the height given, right? You would have to have a figure for it. Okay, what do you reckon? It's an equilateral triangle. All the heights are same, right? In an equilateral triangle. Manya,
Yeah. So,
all the heights would be same since all the sides are same.
yeah.
All the altitudes
Yeah.
would be same. Yeah. So let's pick one. Let's draw one altitude over here like this. Let's call this equilateral triangle ABC with AD as the altitude on BC. Fantastic. All right. So what do we do, Anya? Height, given height AD equal to 9 centimeter, right?
Yes.
Look, area of equilateral triangle uses side, not height. Area of equilateral triangle uses side instead of height. But
So we make,
we have multiple formulas for area of a triangle, right?
yes,
What is the area of an equilateral triangle first up? The
the
formula that primarily is for equilateral triangle. The formula that we
root
just used.
3.
Yeah,
Yeah, root 3 upon 4 e square.
very good. AB is equal to BC is equal to AC
X. No.
is equal to A. Let's call it A. We have been calling the sides as A, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, you see, we can find out area of triangle in two different ways. Area of
So
triangle ABC
ADC
in two different ways. What are the two different ways? First thing is root 3 over 4 side square. Manya, you are stuck, I believe. Your video is stuck. Yeah, you are on now.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Even
So one of the formulas is this, and the second, the general formula for all triangles is half into
base into height.
BC into AD. Very good. So what do you reckon? What are we going to do here? Root 3 by 4 times
Upon
A
a
square
square
is equal
equals to half into a square into 9.
to A square
Sorry,
divided.
a not square, a into 9.
Very good. So we would have, look, if one of the A's are cancelled, are eliminated, then we are left
We
with
have
one A.
root 3 by 4a. Yeah. Which is equal to half into, yeah, okay.
Am I clear up to here?
Yes, sir. And
Very
2 and 4 cancel.
Yeah, so 9 into 2 divided by root 3. Do you think we should rationalize this? Look, if you
Yeah.
rationalize what, Manya?
The denominator.
Absolutely. If we don't rationalize, then we will have to divide by 1.732. That will be a big ask, right? Which one is easier according to you? Multiplying by 1.732 or dividing by 1.732?
Multiply.
Of course, which is why we have to rationalize this. Root 3 divided by root 3 into root. So this is going to be 9 into 2 into root 3
Root
divided by 3.
3.
3 threes. So 6 into 1.732. Right?
Yeah. So, if they're given us that take root 3 equals to 1.732, so why would they give us the two, like, if they have only asked us to find two places of decimal?
Yeah, we'll eliminate the third decimal point, decimal place, right? Later. 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 19, 6 7s are
Um,
42, 43, and 10. 10.39. Right, girl? Am I clear to here?
yes, so,
You know what? We have to find out the area, correct to decimal places. But it doesn't look like there is any need of doing so, right? It looks like we can find out area without using decimal place. Okay, we can. Hang on. Let's go into
I
area.
didn't get you.
You didn't get me right.
No.
I'll tell you. I'll tell you. Is there any need of finding out side? First, let me know. Is there a need of finding out side?
Um, sir, so that now we can find the actual area.
I mean the side in decimal. Okay. Manya. Up to here, it's fine. Up to here, it's fine. Look at this.
Okay.
What did you get up to here? 6 times root 3, right?
Yeah. So we don't need to do the decimal part.
Absolutely.
It's not necessary.
This is not required. We did this unnecessarily. Now let's go into finding out the area. Area of triangle ABC. What is it going to be? Which one are you
So
going
we
to?
can. So can we use the half into base into height?
Okay, half into BC into AD. So
Half into 6 root 3.
half into 6 root 3.
into 9.
Now you need to put the value of,
It's 1.732.
yes, absolutely, 27 times 1.7.
1.732.
Now multiply this.
1732. 1521. 9. 1. 5. 12. 4. 6. 14. 3. I don't know if this is correct. 7, 6.
What did you get?
4. 2. 3, right? 46.764.
46.764.
Second, I just check calculator if I'm
Yeah,
correct.
it seems to be fine. Last digits you got where? Confirmed it. Must be correct.
1.732 into 27. Yeah, yeah.
Ultimately, we had to use this root 3's value, right?
Yes.
We had to, and had we done it before, like we were doing initially, would have done the same thing. I thought you would choose to use root 3 by 4a square, but you didn't choose that. You chose 1 by 2 half into base and height. It's one and the same thing. You'll get the same answer in any which manner you proceed. Okay.
Because I find uh
It's
multiplying
it,
more easy than squaring the.
it's absolutely fine.
By the way, sir, they told us to find only 2 places of decimals.
Yeah,
So
so
aren't we supposed to write 46.77?
7 6.
7?
Yeah, eliminate.
Oh, 7.
Two decimal places means two decimal places, man. At one, you cannot leave it at 7.
Approximately. Yeah.
That'll be one decimal place then. Oh, come on. Even if you write it approximately like that, it'll be just one decimal place, right? If you write 46.7, you have to use two decimal places. You have to write two decimal places. It has to go up to 7 6.
Okay, so
Okay, fine. Fine. Oh. We have another question over here. I think we are running out of time. Let's try. Perimeter of an isosceles triangle is 42 centimeter and its base is one
one per.
1.5 times each of equal sides. Okay, find the length of each side of a triangle. Find the area of triangle. This is going to be big, right?
Yeah.
It seems as though it is going to be big. Hang on, I would tell my next student. Wait for 5 minutes. Okay, so let's have a figure drawn. It's an isosceles triangle, right?
Yes.
Perimeter is given A,
B.
right? The base is 1.5 times each of equal sides. What do you understand by that? It's not B. I mean, initially I thought.
So it's 1.5 A. B is equals to 1.5 A.
Yeah, absolutely. Let A be the length of equal sides.
Mm.
Can we begin like this?
Yes.
And B be the base. According to the question, B is 3 by 2 times it. Any doubts?
No, sir.
All right.
So A plus 3 by 2. A equals to 42.
Now, perimeter is equal
Equals to 42 centimeter, which equals to A plus B
A plus A plus B is equal
equals to 42 centimeter.
to that's
A plus okay 3 by 2 A so A.
yeah. Sorry. So this is going to be 7A by 4, right? 7A by 2.
Yeah.
What is A going to be?
42 into 2 by 7, which is okay.
This is going to be fine if I write in such shortcuts.
Yeah.
It's fine, right? Okay. So
I
of each side. Therefore, A equals to
I
A. A is equal to
okay.
12 centimeter. And B will be,
Yeah.
come on, B.
B equals to 3 by 2. Yeah, so 2 minutes. 3 by 2, 12, which is 6, 18.
Okay. Find the area of triangle and the height of the triangle. Okay. Area, height of the triangle, if you
Half
recall,
into B into H.
I mean, that's area, right? Up into base of it.
So
First,
once we find the area, we can find the height.
do you notice that, do you recall that we found out height like this? Height, half times under root
Oh, right, yeah. Yeah.
minus b square.
So, yeah. Wait, half. Uh, I don't
Well,
recall finding it. It must be correct.
yeah, it is like this. Height equal to 1 by 2, because this is what we used in, what is it? Area of triangle, right? Half into 4. What is A?
12 square
12 square.
into minus 18 square. So, and then have A square minus B square.
12 is a 24 square. Oh,
No, so,
is there anything wrong here, Mani?
no, so
This is going to be 24 plus
24 plus
18.
18, 24 minus 18.
Yeah, 24 plus 18 will
24 plus 18. 42,
24 minus 18, 6.
which
So
is
it
equal
is a
to
perfect square. I can see that. 2 into 6.
252.
Is it a perfect square? No, it is not. It is not
No,
perfect square.
it's 252. 42 into 6.
Yes, it is not a perfect square. 6 square, 6 square into 7, right? That is why. That is why.
Oh, root 7 equals to 2.64.
So this is 3 roots. That's your height,
So,
right?
yeah.
Third part. This is the third part. Okay, third part of the question. We found out height first. This is the first part of the question, and our second part of the question would be,
So, don't we have to like simplify it into 3 into 2.64?
We would. If you want to, you can do it here,
It's
or
fine.
yeah, you can do it in area. So what is
Yeah,
area? Half into base into height.
yeah.
Altitude
Height
is found out. So half
like
into
half
base is
into 18 into 3 root 7.
root 9.
9. 27 root 7.
7 2.64.
364. Okay.
Please multiply this. Please get it done.
Yes, sir. 28, 42, 44, 40, 18, 8, 12, 5, 28, 8, 12, 11, 7, 7, 7. Oh God. 7, 7, 2, 8.
7
Then the decimals come, so 77.28.
7.28.
28.
Two decimal places, right?
No, sorry, 7, 1.28. Oh, I did it correctly.
Please get it done correctly. Manya, I'm not doing it because I
Sir, I wrote correctly and then I thought I did it wrong, so I made it 7, 7.
is it 7.1.
Yes, sir, calculated.
1.28 centimeters square. Fantastic. We're done with this. We'll conclude our class here, Manya. 5 minutes late for the
Okay,
next.
sir.
Okay. Bye
Yeah,
bye. Bye
okay.
bye. Me too.
Bye,
If
sir.
it is not at all possible on Wednesday, you let me know. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Or shall I take it as a no for Wednesday?
Yeah, most probably because